The Kremlin is concerned about the possibility of the United States further expanding sanctions on Russia. A spokesman for Vladimir Putin says already pitiful relations would only be eroded by such a move. Last week, the U.S. added the names of several prominent Russians to its sanctions list, and this coming as Russia's Central Election Commission has refused to register opposition leader Alexei Navalny as a candidate in the 2018 presidential election, citing a criminal conviction. The opposition leader has called for voters' strike in protest. Joining us to talk about this from Moscow is Bloomberg's Henry Meyer. So, Henry, get us up to speed here. Talk us through a little bit about the mood that we're seeing there.
Well, I mean, essentially, the issue of sanctions is becoming increasingly important because under legislation that was passed in the U.S. in August, a list will be compiled by the end of February of Russian oligarchs who may face potential sanctions, and therefore the Russian leadership is trying to make use of this for political purposes.
You know, Henry, there's also a report that the U.S. is going to finally provide some offensive weapons to the Ukrainian resistance. Is that complicating matters in Moscow as well?
Definitely. It's another one of those issues which is causing friction between Russia and the United States. I mean, there are a whole host of problems at the moment, but certainly sanctions, I would say, is something that could really complicate life for President Putin, because a lot of rich Russians could be caught up in this.